High five. High five. Ready to go out? Yeah, go. Let's shut that. Let's open that. Oh. Okay, hold on. Let me make a walkway first. Whew. I had to make it at least short enough for you to walk through. Holy crap. Okay, let's clear this little area. Whew, and then I'll do the stairs. Whew. It's a lot of snow. How you doing? You wanna go that way? Okay. Whew, pretty. If I knock any of this, I'm gonna be covered in snow. You lose your glove? I'm coming. Whew. No, sweetie. Give me it. I'll put it back on for you. Okay, if your hands get cold, tell me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm not going any farther than this. Daddy can wade his way through. Holy crap, to the porch. It's up to my calf and I'm tall. Whew. I'll try to clean off at least somewhat of the porch. Yeah, it's too deep, sweetie. It's like half your size. Snow! We're gonna go in. Yeah, that's what mittens are for. Are you stuck? Okay, I'm coming to rescue you. Yeah, it sucks, right? Arms out for steady. Come on. Come on. Come on, you can do it. You got down there. I'm coming. I'm coming. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, it's cold, isn't it? That's why you had mittens. And look, you shut the door. Now we're locked out. You want it open? Okay. Oh, gee, thanks. Good thing I have keys or you'd be locked in the house. Good thing I have keys or I'd be locked out of the house. It's funny. You trying to lock me out of the house? Yeah, now you want to let me in? Okay. Yeah, you couldn't shut it because it's a hard door to shut, huh? No. I'll get you out of your snow stuff. Come here.